Good morning children. Today let us do page number 26 in workbook application part. Yesterday I have given it for homework. Today let us discuss about it. Okay. So what you have to do in application part? You have to write down pin codes of 5 cities and then you have to write their number names. Okay. Let us write down the pin codes. Pin code. Number name. Here what you have to do is you have to write the pin code and then you have to write down the number name. So for first writing the number name, what you have to do, you have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. You have learned only up to 10,000s. The next place after 10,000s is lakhs place. So the next place after 10,000s place is lakhs place. So you have to put comma after hundreds place and after 10,000s place. Now how will you read this number? You can read it as 5 lakhs 21,000. These two numbers are 21 is in which period? Thousands period. So you have to read it as 5 lakhs 21,106. Did you understand children? You have to read it as 5 lakhs 21,106. I have written the pin code number of a city and have written the number name of the pin code. Okay. Now let us do the next one. The next one is first what you have to do is first we have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Children, remember that after 10,000s place you will be getting the lakhs place. So after writing the places, you place the comma after hundreds place and after 10,000s place. 10,000 and 1,000 comes to the thousands period. So 5 lakhs 21,105. You can read this number as 5 lakhs 21,105. Okay children, I have written the pin codes of 2 cities. Now let us write down next pin code. The next one is for reading this number, first you write down the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. After 10,000s place, we will be getting the lakhs place. We place the comma after hundreds place and 10,000s place. 1,000 and 10,000 come under thousands period. Now how will you read this number? You read it as 5 lakhs 21,321. 5 lakhs 21,321. Okay. Next, let us write down the next pin code. First, for reading this pin code, first write down the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, children, I have written the number properly. It is 5, 2, 1, 165. 5, 2, 1, 165. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. After writing the places, put the comma after hundreds place and 10,000s place. 1,000 and 10,000 comes under thousands period. Now you can read this number as 5,21,165. 5,21,165. 165. Did you understand, children? First one is 5,21,106. Second one is 5,21,105. Third one is 5,21,321. And the fourth one is 5,21,165. Okay, children. Now let us write down the last one. Let us write down the last pin code. Okay. So first let us write down the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. You have to place the comma after hundreds place and 10,000s place. Thousands and 10,000s come under thousands period. Now you can read this number as 5,21,111. 5,21,111. Did you understand, children? We have written the pin codes, number names of the pin codes. Okay. Now let us do the questions given under the table. Okay. There are few questions given under the table. Now let us try to answer those questions. Okay. So what is the first question? Arrange the pin codes in ascending order. What you have to do is, you have to arrange the pin codes in ascending order. So first let us write down the pin codes. Five lakhs 21,106, 5,21,105, 5,21,321, 5,21,165, 5,21,111. Okay. Now you have to arrange these pin codes in ascending order. You all know that ascending order means arranging numbers from small to big. So which is the smallest among all these numbers? 5,21,105 is the smallest. Next we have to arrange 5,21,106. Next 5,21,111. Next we have to arrange 5,21,165, and at the last we have to arrange 5,21,321. So the first question is, you have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So I have arranged the given numbers in ascending order. What is the next question? The next question is you have to arrange the pin codes in descending order. You all know the descending order means arranging the numbers from big to small. Just reverse these numbers, then you will get the descending order. Okay. Now I am writing the descending order. 5,21,321, 5,21,165, 5,21,111, 5,21,106, 5,21,105. So now I have arranged the numbers in descending order simply by reversing the numbers I have written in the ascending order. Next, third question. What is the third question? You have to write down the expanded form of any 4 pin codes. What you have to do? You have to write the expanded form of any 4 pin codes. Okay, let us take the first one, which is 5,21,106. Now let us write down the expanded form. Further, let us write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So 5 is in lakhs place. So its place value is 5 lakhs. Its place value is 5 lakhs. 2 is in 10,000s place. So its place value is 20,000. 20,000. Next, 1 is in thousands place. So its place value is 1,000. Next, the next one is in hundreds place. So its place value is 100. 0 is in tens place. So its place value is 0. And 6 is in ones place. So its place value is 6. You all know that expanded form means writing the place value of each digit in a number. Now let us write down the expanded form for the next number. That is 5,21,321. First, write down the places. Then write down the expanded form. 5 is in lakhs place, so its place value is 5 lakhs. 2 is in 10,000s place, so its place value is 20,000. 1 is in thousands place, so its place value is 1,000. 3 is in hundreds place, so its place value is 300. 2 is in tens place, so its place value is 20. 1 is in ones place, so its place value is 1. Okay, children? Now let us write down the expanded form for 2 more numbers. That is third question. 5,21,111. First, write down the places. So 5 is in lakhs place, its place value is 5 lakhs. 2 is in thousands, 10,000s place, its place value is 20,000. 1 is in thousands place, so its place value is 1,000. The next one is in hundreds place, so its place value is 100. The next one is in tens place, so its place value is 10. And the last one is in ones place, so its place value is 1. Now let us write down the expanded form for the last number. 5,21,165. First, write down the places. Now let us write down the expanded form. 5 is in lakhs place, so its place value is 5 lakhs. 2 is in 10,000s place, so its place value is 20,000. 1 is in thousands place, So its place value is 1000. Next one is in hundreds place. So its place value is 100. 6 is in tens place. So its place value is 60. And 5 is in ones place. Okay children, so we have written the expanded form of the pin code numbers. Now what is the fourth question? Where did you collect this information from? So where we have collected this information? We have collected the information from internet. So fourth question answer is internet. I would like to thank Dash for helping me in this application. So whoever have helped you, write their name in the next question. Okay. Next, sixth question. By doing this application, I learned. So what did you learn by doing this application? So we have learned about the knowledge of. We have learned about the knowledge of large numbers. By doing this application, we have learnt about the knowledge of large numbers. Okay. So the last question, that is the seventh question. I have completed this application in 2 days. You write down 2 days. Okay children. Next, in page number 28, you are having C3 part. Okay. In C3 part, what you have to do is, you have to make a paper snake. You have to make a paper snake. Okay children. You have to make a paper snake and write down the expanded form for any number you like. Okay children. You have to make a paper snake and you have to write the expanded form of any number you like. That is the homework for today. Okay. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.